Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Need to cancel a Scotiabank e-transfer? No worries. In this tutorial, I will show you how to cancel a pending Interact e-transfer in just a few easy steps. Let's get started. Unlock your phone and open the Scotia app. Log in using your credentials. From the home screen, tap Move Money. Select Interact e-transfer from the options. Tap on Manage to view your pending Interact e-transfers. Find the transaction you want to cancel. Tap on it to open the details. Then tap Cancel this transfer. Confirm the cancellation when prompted. Once confirmed, you will receive a notification that the transfer has been cancelled. The funds will be returned to your account. And that's it. You have successfully cancelled your Scotiabank e-transfer. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more banking tips. See you in next time. Thanks for watching.